Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I got a little time today, so I thought I'd try to get some more done on the trailer. Sent my rims into a shop to get them blasted, and they came back awesome. They use shot, it's bead blast, not sand. Got it super clean. Unfortunately, and to no fault of their own, this one, due to thin metal where the rust is, I haven't got a little hole through. So, which I kind of expected. You can see all the rippling or it rusted and it's a little thin there. So I kind of half expected it. Like I said, it ain't their fault. It just was a rusty rim. But I'm going to try to weld that up a little bit. See if I can't weld that shut. I like these rims. They're the originals for the M416. So this one is ready to prime. So I believe I might touch up that hole a little bit on that edge there, maybe. But they're pretty much ready to prime, other than needing a little bit of welding. I was hoping to prime them today and paint them tomorrow, but like I said, got a little bit of welding on that, so I'm going to touch that up and clean it up. Hopefully still be able to prime them today, and then like I said, probably maybe still paint them tomorrow. But we'll see. We'll see how that goes. So I'm gonna fire up the welder and try to get that done. Alright, so I've got it welded. So I'm no professional welder, that's for sure, but we'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and prime them and hopefully tomorrow get them painted up. And then man, I don't know how much I trust them. They were rusted, they're thin in that spot. I welded it, so I hope the hole there. It's the big dilemma is, one is I really want to use these rims. I like them. They're the originals for the M416 trailer. But if I don't go with these rims, then I've got to either find an adequate replacement for the original axle, or I've got to look at possibly changing out the axle and hubs. Somehow I've got to come up with a good combination of axle, hubs, and rims that all work. I wanted to stay original, so I'm hoping these will work. I just don't know how far I want to go with it. I don't want to put the whole trailer together and start using it to find out they're not going to hold air and have to kind of start over for the underneath of the trailer for the axle, rims, and hubs. So, but for now, I've got them. I welded it. I hope it holds. I'm gonna go ahead and prime them, and we'll probably paint them tomorrow, like I said. And I don't know. I guess we'll roll the dice. All right. So after I got the rim welded up, I didn't do the second one. I think I'm gonna get the oversized valve stems for trucks. I'm told you can get the ones for like a F250, the oversized with the threaded short stems, and I'm gonna try those in them. But so I got it welded up, ground down, cleaned up a little bit, and then as you can see, I got them sprayed with some primer. I talked about spraying them and then priming them and then painting them, but the more I got to think about it, I don't want to prime them one day and spray them the next. I want to give that primer time to set so it don't peel or anything. So I'm going to wait probably till next weekend to spray these. Maybe one night during the week this week, but I'm going to leave them like that for a while. Let that primer cure up a little bit. So I'm going to call it a wrap. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, click the like button, click the bell so you get the notifications. Comment below. I appreciate the comments and reply to all of them. So thanks again. See you next time.